Nano Banana 2 just changed the way we create images with AI forever. So if you want to take full advantage of this new model and generate the exact results you want in just a couple of seconds, here's the thing. There are 5 essential features inside Nano Banana 2 that you genuinely need to know. And once you understand these and how to take full advantage of them, you'll be able to create high-quality projects faster than ever before. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through each one step by step. But first, imagine this. You want to create a 3-panel storyboard of a young girl named Maya eating an apple. For the first panel, you ask for Maya, a 7-year-old with red pigtails and a blue sweater, holding a green apple. Everything looks good. Then for the second panel, you want Maya taking a bite of the apple. Suddenly, her hair is blonde, the sweater is yellow, and the apple is red. And if you go even further and ask for Maya to smile, she suddenly has curly black hair and is holding a slice of pizza. Honestly, that is exactly how it feels when you're trying to get consistency with most AI tools. But with Nano Banana 2, that's not the case anymore. You can now create storyboards, build narratives, and generate multi-frame sequences without any inconsistencies. Let's try it out. First, I'll open the new AI model, and for this, I'm going to be using OpenArt because they gave me early access to it. So if you want to follow along, I've left a link in the description below. Once you're inside, this is the homepage. Simply click on Create Image and select Nano Banana 2. I'll create a group of 6 people at a quiet mountain campsite and add 11 objects around them. This is the exact prompt I'll use. Now, let's click Generate and see if everything is in the right place. The characters look exactly like I described them, and all the objects are here. But now let's do the real test and see what happens if we change the position of the characters and objects. I'll type in my new prompt, hover on Add Visual References, and click Upload Image. I'll upload one of the images I made earlier, then hit Generate. They all look exactly the same as the previous image, which proves it kept the consistency throughout the generation. So this feature will help you generate full scenes while keeping the characters and objects intact. But this is not even the coolest part. Nano Banana 2 can do a lot more complex things, and that's because Google has implemented advanced intelligence inside the model. You see, most AI generators are trained up until a specific date, and anything that happened after that, they simply don't know. So if the last training was 3 months ago, the model will know nothing about what happened yesterday. This might not seem like a big deal, but in the world of image generation, it genuinely is. For example, just a few days ago, the story of a baby monkey named Punch went viral online. If you haven't heard of it yet, this little animal was rejected by his family and raised by human caretakers in a zoo. They gave him a monkey plushie that stopped him from feeling depressed and helped him reintegrate into a real group. Now, if I want to create a comic of Punch's story using an older model, I'll paste this prompt. And as you can see, it has almost zero relevance to reality because the generator doesn't have access to information that new. But here are the results we get with Nano Banana 2. It's exactly Punch's story captured perfectly. And that's because this AI is connected with Gemini 3.1. So before it creates any image, it gets even more context from a web search to produce the best quality outcome. You can also use it for infographics, turning notes into diagrams, or creating data visualizations, all grounded in actual knowledge. So let's go over and create a graphic with the top 5 AI companies in the world, sorted by their total net worth. I'll paste in this prompt and wait just a few seconds. I love how it represented the graphic and even included the company's logos inside. As you can see, it actually went online and searched for the total net worth of each one, which would have been impossible with past models. But this is not the only upside of the advanced intelligence behind Nano Banana 2. It actually solved one massive problem that every AI image generator was struggling with up until now, and that problem is text rendering. Every time you tried to generate an image with text on it, there were usually a lot of spelling mistakes inside. Honestly, no matter how much you tried to fix it, it was never perfect. But now, those days are gone. Nano Banana 2 can perfectly replicate any text, no matter its size or length, so we can create incredibly accurate text inside images for marketing mockups, greeting cards, or signage. And if you find that hard to believe, let me show you exactly how it works. To start, I'm going to generate a small bottle of spicy sauce to see how well it can handle all the text details. I'll go ahead and paste in this prompt. And here's the result we get back. It's fascinating how every single word is accurate and legible. I can clearly see the brand name, the ingredients list, and even the total volume. And if you don't think that's impressive enough, just take a look at this one-page burger recipe it generated. I specifically asked for the recipe, total cooking time, and the number of portions. As you can see they are all nicely fitted and very accurate. But the reason I love using it is that Nano Banana 2 doesn't just write text. It can also translate it into other languages while keeping the exact same layout, typography, and style. So if you want to turn that burger recipe into Spanish, you don't need to create a whole new image. You just need to write this prompt: translate the recipe into Spanish. Let's press generate and see what we get. The recipe looks exactly the same, but it's now in Spanish, and we did it in just a few seconds. This feature can be insanely valuable for reaching a wider audience with your content, marketing, or any other project you're working on. And all of that is thanks to the insane precision Nano Banana has. But it doesn't work just with text rendering. It works with highly specific prompts as well. If you've ever wanted to get a more detailed image, you know that most AI generators are always missing something. So let's go over and test it with a hyper-realistic fisherman holding a fish in his hands. It's very detailed, and I can actually see every wrinkle and scar on his hands. But now let's try something a bit more challenging. I want to get a levitating Rubik's Cube on a white background, and I want it to be already solved. So I'll write this prompt. The shadows are really impressive, making it truly seem like the cube is levitating. So now let's change something about it. I want the cube to be unsolved, with a blue plus on the top and a red one on the front, rotated 45 degrees to the left. Here is the prompt for that. It's exactly what I was expecting. All the changes are exactly as I asked, and even the shadows are modified according to the new rotation. Now I want to test it with something unrealistic and totally crazy, just to see if it can keep following instructions when they seem impossible. So for this, I'll try to generate an octopus with blue shoes playing the piano underwater. It has all the details I mentioned, and I love how the water looks through the transparent piano. Honestly, octopuses don't usually have legs for shoes, but Nano Banana did a great job making it look natural. And as you can already see from this image, this model is incredible with lighting. This is actually part of what Google calls the visual fidelity upgrade of the new model. What this actually means is that Nano Banana is now delivering vibrant lighting, richer textures, and sharper details compared to the previous model. Even the last version was good, but the results you can get now look like they were shot with a Hollywood camera. And that's because with this update, you can get images in full 4K resolution. All you need to do is select the option, paste in a prompt like this one, and click Generate. The drop of honey falling looks extremely high quality, and I can even see the micro air bubbles inside of it. It's almost the same quality you'd get with the Pro version, but I'd say this is actually better as it's 2 to 3 times faster. So you can try as many variations as you want without waiting too much. For example, I got this image from just the second iteration. The spider web is so thin that it's being pushed down by each water droplet. The sun is reflecting into the water and creating slight shadows on the leaves. The more I look at it, the more I keep wondering how far AI image generation has come in just a few years. Here's another one I generated with this prompt. The coconut has that hard, hairy texture on the outside and the soft white inside. The water makes everything look wet, and the sun gives it that warm feeling. Nano Banana has taken visual fidelity to a whole new level. And one more cool setting it has is the production-ready specs, giving you full control over aspect ratios and resolutions. So if you want to post a 9:16 for Instagram, you can simply tell the AI. If you want a 4:3, you tell it and you get it. What's truly amazing is that it doesn't mess up the resolution in any way. Nano Banana is going to change the entire AI image generation space. So if you want to get high quality results without waiting minutes for each generation, click the link in the description below to sign up for OpenArt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.